I totally forgot to walk you guys through the HoneyBook emails and which ones I have automated versus not. So the inquiry email, I don't have automated. I talked about that a little bit. I have a 3-day follow-up and a 7-day follow-up. I don't have those as automatic. I just go in and do them if I need to versus if I don't. I am trying to, I forgot to add the follow-up. Let me add the follow-up emails in here for you guys. I'm pretty sure they're in the weddings one, but I will make sure I add these into the portraits one too. So it's like a little bit easier. Sometimes I just type these out, but I think it's helpful to have the template for whenever. But then I have just a task to send out the proposal, the portraits booking proposal. So whenever I send a proposal through HoneyBook, this is a really important note. I actually use the default HoneyBook proposal sending email. And the way that I do it is I make sure that it looks like it's a third party email. And I do that on purpose because I want all the money stuff to like not be like, for me, it's like just HoneyBook, like asking them to sign the contract and like get that done. And it's not like Manali asking them for money. It kind of just like helps separate out me as like, I don't know, the service provider and like being able to be the friend almost within the relationship and not like asking for their money. You don't have to do that. Like you can send it out with like your own personal thing, but that's what I just prefer to do. Just like kind of keeping them separate. Let me see. I obviously have a lot of emails. Portrait proposal. So I just use the default. I don't use the default for the questionnaire, but I use the default for the proposal. So this is literally what I do. I think this is pretty much what it comes in. And I just say HoneyBook on behalf of Manali. So it's okay. That's kind of just how I phrase it. But let me plop that in here. Okay. Cool. And so, yeah, that one is obviously not automated either because they have to say they want to they're like ready to book versus not ready to book. Sorry. It's hard to like talk when you're like trying to type at the same time and do things. So, yep. Okay. I'll fix this later, but so those are not automated. I do have the couples questionnaire. I send this as well. This one you could automate. Honestly, I think I'm going to go back and automate this one where it sends. Oh no, sorry. The reason. Okay, let me restart. So I am going to go back and automate this because right now I do have separate workflows for seniors, grads versus couples versus proposals. At the beginning, I only had the portrait workflow. But a reason for having separate workflows for the 3 would be so that you can just have it automatically send out the specific questionnaire that you need to if you need to. This one again, like I need to go in and fix. So this is my general portrait workflow, and I think in my like specific senior one, like it has the email template already attached here. But again, I don't have this go out automatically 1 week before because I want to make sure that I can personalize it for if the weather is good or not, and like exactly the location that we're meeting at. This is just a task. And then again, like this one it does have the template, but it doesn't go out automatically because I have to add in the gallery link here. Where is it? I have to add in like the gallery link here. So that's why this one's not automatic either. It just pulls it up like a day after for sneak peeks. And then this one is the testimonial questionnaire attached to the final gallery email. Again, I approve it before sending it. Don't have it auto sent out because I have to go in and manually add in the past gallery link. And that's it. So the only email that I really automate during the portrait workflow is the questionnaire that I send out right after they book. So that's it for that one. Let me go ahead and stop this recording.